it's bees. Yo, it's bees. Look, BB. Oh my goodness, it's bees.
I can't go in there with you guys. I'm dying with lava.
It's bees. And it's water. Stop messing up his name. He's gonna go crazy. He's gonna go crazy.
He's mad. He's mad. Try to hit me with light speed. Me. What's the username, Catnap? Hit me with light speed.
Shut up, bro.
No, like the yellow guy. That just.
Shut up.
Like that yellow guy.
Don't start yapping again.
Man, shut up.
Don't start yapping again. You could just meet him. You know that, right? Don't start yapping. Don't start your yapping, alright? Don't start your That's all I'm saying. I'm Unity. I give you a second chance, but just don't do that, bro. Don't yap. Don't say that. Don't say that. Yo.
Fucking nasty ass. And my controller just fucking disconnected.
You deserve it. You deserve it. Actually, you actually deserve it. Good job. I'm gonna give you a round of applause. You actually got a lot.
I love this game. This game is so family friendly.
You do not love this game. You're literally swearing and saying no words, bro. No, I'm gonna give you the bow. Rule number 10. Don't make people uncomfortable. You hear me? You hear me? Yeah, you hear me? You hear me? Don't do that again. Don't do that again. Huh? But at least you're gonna be in my so-called annoying monkeys.
Shut the fuck up.
Wanna get smacked again? Bow. Wanna get smacked again? Wanna get smacked again? Bow.
Wow, I'm so scared.
Stop it.
Bow.
Oh, come on.
Why don't I have batteries?
Bow.
Oh my god.
Huh?
I reported yellow for never go down the water slide.
You speak, I think he's freaking. Aren't you being toxic?
Why?
You wanna get the ball again?
I don't care.
Alright. Bow. No. Hey. Bow. You deserve it. Bow.
Yellow, flap like a bird.
My right controller disconnected. Bo, stop touching me. You.
Say you're sorry.
What? Christmas? Your father is non-existent. Your mom is
Say-
sitting on the couch.
say you're sorry.
You have no life.
Say you're sorry. You actually have no life because you're actually swearing. So like, it's kind of equal.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get banned for swearing.
It's kind of allowed in this.
It's annoying. Not my rules.
If I just say fuck, I'm not gonna get banned. Bro, the flag is not gonna do nothing.
This game's like
It does something to me.
Bro, I'm on the quest 1. How is it lagging? For you.
If you have the quest 1, you're just old. If you have the quest 2, you're just a pro.
What is the quest 1?
What is it?
Okay, I'm muting you. Yo, Mario, I'll give you a second chance. I give you the second chance, and you keep yapping. You too. Wait. I give you a third chance. I give you a third chance, and you're still yapping.
I do not care.
I mean, you actually care because you're actually swearing.
because we're allowed to. It makes the game fun.
Yeah.
What does that make it?
What do you say?
Your potty mouth makes the game annoying. I'm actually being serious.
Actually,
I'm trying to save the game. I'm making it so kind of annoying monkeys, bro.
Actually,
Oh, you can't class like, bro. Shut your little fucking black.
You're range splitting, bro. Bro, stop range splitting. Stop range
That's
splitting.
racist.
Stop range. How is that racist? You're racist. Oh my god. No, I'm not.
Shut your little LGBTQIA plus looking stuff up. But I know you ain't talking about your little fucking Syrian looking head ass.
Papa.
This is amusing.
Pong.
Okay, well,
Okay, now. Oh, you want to get the whooping too? Bow, 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 bow.
because I can't feel pain.
It does for me. It does. It does attack.
Push. Do you guys like have Hey, you got, you little fucking bitch.
What?
You guys like have
Oh wait, I forgot. I'm sorry. I'm busy. I'm busy watching.
Oh, only.
Alright.
It's funny though.
It's not
I'm
funny.
staying out of it.
It's not. Soundboarders are funny, but like this, it's not. It's not
Hey,
funny.
buddy,
It's not funny.
out of this racist group
right
What?
now.
I'm sorry, everyone.
Have you seen Luigi?
I did see Luigi, bro.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I saw him.
Yeah, I did see Luigi. But I
That
did see
one
Mickey Mouse and
left.
Elsa.
That one is yapping. You're good. You're just chill. You're. Yeah, I don't know. You don't.
What?
You.
I don't want to miss Ginger. Are you?
Yeah, you're good. Everyone's good except.
Okay.
This guy, yeah.
No, I'm talking about. No, wait, where's?
I feel like this guy and me should be friends. I feel like this guy and me should be friends. I feel like Black and me should be friends.
Bro, don't do it.
You okay, bro?
Don't be friends with bro. He's a bad person, bro. Like he's just trying to trick you, alright? You know you're in my show, right? I can do a Discord panel to get you banned.
I want to be friends with you.
Actually, I don't care about your stupid fucking
I thought you
Discord.
said I got
If
80.
I
When did I say Discord?
Discord,
Wait,
I wouldn't be
Wait,
your
that-
friend.
wait.
Hey,
Can I be
why?
your friend?
He's saying that he's gonna get me banned from his Gorilla Tag
This
Discord.
Close.
No, I'm not in the game, bro. I'm gonna do a Discord panel.
Black.
Like, I don't care about
Okay,
your
leave.
Discord.
Okay. Oh no, that's not. That's Sprinkle.
Angel dust. You have to go.
Help him.
Like, I was gonna be.
Oh, yo. Oh, yo, bro, stop. Nah, bro. I thought you were an angel. I thought you were an angel. You a demon. You a demon.
In the top position.
You're gonna. Alright, you're gonna stop. Okay, good. Alright.
You black. You black. Look here. Black.
What?
No, it's mine.
But like, I can't do on Oculus because I'm
Come
recording.
here, Black. Black, come here.
Ain't no way Blood's false recording.
I need a.
Wait, that's
Come here.
Sprinkle.
You put my back on.
That's not.
Come here. Come here.
Beautiful.
I'm not talking.
Okay.
I'm talking to Pringle, bro. I'm talking to Pringle.
Pringles.
Yeah, no, that's Pringle. He's just.
Black.
What?
Come here.
Beautiful.
Black.
What?
With the coming. Join code. This.
What? I can't. Delete all. Yo, just put. Oh my goodness! You're gonna kill him, bro.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna beat Miami.
He's gone, bro.
Oh, bro.